In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Bicycle to Uber Eats or deliver food on Uber Eats using your Bicycle. So what we want to do is just open up our web browser and Google search for Uber Eats Bicycle Delivery. Here, the first link should be sign up for delivery with a bicycle or on foot. Once we click on it, it's going to show us the requirements in order to deliver on Uber Eats using a bicycle. So we'll need to be at least 18 years of age and have a valid government issued photo ID. Now, how can we set up our account? We will need to sign up, which we can do by clicking on Start Your Delivery Journey here. We will need to select delivery with bicycle or on foot under the choose how you want to deliver with Uber. We'll have to provide our name, social security number, and date of birth in the driver app and upload a valid government issued photo ID and a profile photo. Another thing that we need to do is do a background check. So background checks usually take 3 to 5 days and are conducted by third-party providers. So using your social security number, they will just verify that you don't have any offenses and that you will be fit to deliver. So here, if we click on Start Your Delivery Journey here, and I'll just accept these cookies, so we can sign up to deliver by clicking on this button here. And like I said, if we agree to the background check, we just gotta submit our social security number here, and this is going to begin the background check. And then if we get approved, then in 3 to 5 days, you can proceed with your bike delivery on Uber Eats. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.